banana. So I'll start with my Essence base coat. I always try to protect my nails, and plus it makes the nail polish stick, and it helps the nail polish to last at least for 4 or 5 days when you wear base coat. So that's good. So while the base coat dries, I wanted to, because in my last video someone asked me about the nail polish remover that I used. In one video I showed the nail polish remover that I use. It was a cherry one I showed. But I live in Denmark, I told the person, so if you don't live in Denmark, you cannot find this, because I looked online and they don't sell it. But I want to say to this person, if you're watching, I don't know, but I also wrote it to her. I use this one also from Cutex, and this one I know you can buy it online, and I know most countries sell this one. So this one is a green color, and you can see the bottle is nearly empty. Well, you can't see it, but this bottle is empty because this one I also use it a lot, and you can see it's a nourishing one. So this one is very good also. So now I will apply some essence, and this one is called Black is Back. So I have a new color club to show today. If you watch me, you know that I am a fan of Color Club, huge fan of Color Club nail polish. So for my ring finger, not long time ago I bought a top coat from Kinetics, and at that time when I bought that solar top coat, I also bought this polish, which is a kind of nude one, and it's called Zephyr, and that's what I'm gonna put on my ring finger.
We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb.
You can see it's very transparent, so I really like it. So I thought before I move on to putting the nail polish and all that, I thought I wanted to show you my new stamper. This is from Dixie, and I haven't opened it yet. I'm opening it now. I just got it yesterday. Oops, I got a scraper also. That's the scraper. So it comes in this beautiful ribbon box. Oh wow, it's like super clear, super duper clear, and super bouncy. Can you see how bouncy it is? And there's supposed to be two. It's kind of like the clear jelly stamper, same. So the other one is inside here. you're supposed to put it down here. So they are different. You can see the shape of the stamper is, oh, this one is like super hard. You see, I can hardly press it. It's super hard, and the shape is also not the same. There is kind of a flat round here up, and then it's yeah, this one you can see the difference. But this one is way, it's bigger, it's like more, it's higher, bigger. So I don't know exactly but this one is super hard and this one is super soft. So I don't know the reason and why this one is like this and this one, but I'll figure it out. In the meantime, I want to try it now. For the stamping, I'm gonna use, for my ring finger, I'll use Moira Cuts too. So it picks up perfectly.
So hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me
Again, it picks up perfectly. Beautiful color club. Sugar plum yum. And I've had this for a while, but I thought this would be perfect for Halloween. I've never used it, it's new. Super beautiful. It's like super sparkling. It's really, really sparkling. So I will apply 2 coats. I hope you can see how sparkling it is. It's like it doesn't even need a top coat. It's super, super sparkling. So this is a second coat, and I'm using Kolinsky Sable brush. So beautiful color club. It never stops to amaze me. I just love it. Oops. This is a plate I bought from Mundo de Uñas. It's a new plate. And it's number VZH10.
I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Clear jelly stamper, no smudge, top coat. The tree looks like all sparkly, like kind of Christmas. Like it looks like it has lights on. So beautiful. So I have 2 small rhinestones here, and I'm just gonna apply some nail glue. So on this nail, I put a star here, which is these kind of stars. But this nail is too short, so I'm not able to put the star. But I just wanted to show them. So I'm gonna finish off with my Orly Glosser. So I also want to say that this polish, it lays completely flat. So I'll not be using my glitter grabber because it's not necessary for this polish. The nails. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you did, please leave a like. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I upload once a week, normally. Last week I've been very busy, but normally I upload once a week. This is a good stamper. I saw it stamps good, but the only thing is I'm a little bit disappointed about the card. I mean, it's a Dixie stamper, so I was expecting that the card was gonna be written Dixie, or I mean, this card looks like the one from Born Pretty, I think. They also have same cards. I'm not sure. I think it's a card I've seen before anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that I'm disappointed for the card. So remember to always be yourself, and that means also using your own words. Bye.